Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today and living a healthy and prosperous life. So I've come again here in the video to speak on this language which I picked for speaking in this video. So I'm going to listen myself and just finding out my mistakes which I've done while speaking in the videos. So if you want to basically learn English, so you can watch my previous video and you can subscribe to the channel, and you will find out a lot of videos which is related to the English. And apart from this, I am also uploading everyday English video on this channel. So that is all about particularly on cue cards. So if you want to basically do the practice by using cue card method, so you can also see my videos, and after watching that you can basically speak on the cue card as well. So just trying to see my previous video which I uploaded, so on that I'm listening to myself. Just so why that I can find my channel very easily, just rising board English. So I'm just checking out my last 2 to 3 years of previous videos, because in that I found out multiple things which will help me, because in today's video, like there is not I can find out mistakes. Basically the reason behind that is this. So I found out my previous videos, and over that I have got some sort of things which is like stuckness, and some sort of things such as stuckness. So these are all things happens to me and happens to everyone who are learning and want to improve. So just seeing this video. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This side Manish and I'm an English learner. In this video I'm going to speak on the cue card, which is about describing a polluted place. So this is kind of cue card, and so I'm going to speak in this video at least for 2 to 3 minutes, and just I want to speak slowly, because whenever I listen myself it feels like I'm speaking very fast. I believe that. So in today's video, so let's jump into this video and stick with me till the end of this video. You can see there is lot of mistakes I did, and there is lot of fillers that I'm using in this video. So let's get started. So if I talk about polluted place, we didn't get to know like Delhi is the most polluted place in the world. Basically there is ranking between 5 to 6. Probably I didn't research it, but that is the thing, that is in 2016 or 15, that is. So I was visited to my relative, and at that time I just saw a huge mountain which is totally there is garbage mountain basically, that is. And there's lot of smells coming over there, and because of that there is a lot of diseases whose over are living nearby of that mountain basically. And I just come by, I was moving towards there, and there's lot of bad smells coming over there, and that is I think a waste material over the only basically there. And because of that the water and other air pollution is also not that good comparison to other places. And there is a lot of rush and traffic jam, and there is a lot of people who are using the horn unnecessary, and like breaking the peace of the peoples who are living over there. And yeah, there is a lot of things in if I talk about like things in Delhi, there is places where like they are not developed so much. And other than that there is a lot of places which need to be improved in near future. I think I just want to make a video on the cue card basically, and I'm not able to speak it more fully. I don't know why, but I'm going to So the same reason I haven't basically prepared so much. So the reason behind is basically this one. And so yeah, I'm making the same mistakes, such as like not recording and not writing my words. Basically, I have wrote down the words, and because of that I'm just seeing, but not up to the mark which I need to basically do the practice, prepare myself more. So I'm trying to do that in upcoming videos. So if you want to see my previous videos, you can watch it to just click on the subscribe button. So after you can see all the videos. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.